Here's our room outside, our view. Pretty nice. And here's our room. Angie packing up. There's the picture in our room. There's the king-size bed we slept in. And we watch TV.
You want your water left in your cup.
And me. Then our jacuzzi. I'm not saying what we did in that. Then our bathroom. And her room number.